Let's make ice cream. Hello, my amazing friends. It's me, Blippi. Are you ready to have some super fun today? We are going to play with something very special. Can you guess what it is? That's right. It's Play-Doh. We are going on a colorful adventure. Today, we are going to be ice cream makers. How cool is that? We will make pretend ice cream. It will look so yummy and colorful. We can make big ice cream cones or little ice cream cups. It's all up to our big imaginations. This is going to be so much fun. I can't wait to see what we create together. Are you ready to start our Play-Doh party? Making pretend ice cream is a fantastic game. We can choose all our favorite pretend flavors. Maybe strawberry or blueberry or even lime. The best part is, we get to use lots of colors. Bright colors make everything more cheerful, don't they? We will learn so many new things too. So let's get our hands ready for some squishing. It's Play-Doh ice cream time. First, we need to gather all our things. Wow! Look at all these amazing Play-Doh colors. There are so many to choose from. It's like a treasure chest of creativity waiting to be opened. Wow, this is like a rainbow in a tub. We have red Play-Doh. Red is such a vibrant and energetic color. Red is like a fire engine. Vroom! We have blue Play-Doh. Blue is calm and cool, just like the ocean or the sky. Blue is like the big sky. And look, yellow Play-Doh. Yellow is so bright and cheerful like a sunny day. Yellow is like the bright sun. It makes everything feel warm and happy. So many wonderful colors to choose from. Each one is unique and special in its own way. Which color is your favorite today? Maybe you like the bright and bold ones, or perhaps the soft and pastel shades. It's so hard to pick just one, isn't it? They all look so inviting and fun to play with. They are all so bright and beautiful. Mixing them together can create even more amazing colors. Let's explore all these colors together. Imagine all the things we can create with them. We can use a different color for every scoop. Each scoop can be a new adventure. Imagine a tall ice cream with lots of different colors. It would be like a rainbow tower of deliciousness. That would look so cool and so yummy. Each scoop could be a different flavor. We could have a red scoop for pretend cherry. Red is always a fun and exciting choice. Then a yellow scoop for pretend banana. Yellow is so bright and cheerful, it makes everything feel sunny. And maybe a green scoop for pretend mint. Green is fresh and lively like a spring day. What other colors can we see here? Oh, I see orange. Orange is so vibrant and full of energy. Orange like an orange fruit. And purple. Purple like yummy grapes. Purple is so rich and royal. This is going to be the most colorful ice cream ever. Each scoop is a burst of creativity. Let's name some more colors we can use. How about pink? Pink is so sweet and lovely. Pink is such a lovely color. It's perfect for anything cute and fun. It could be a pretend strawberry ice cream scoop, or maybe bubblegum flavor. That sounds fun. Pink is always a delightful choice. We also have white Play-Doh. White is so pure and clean. White can be for vanilla, a classic favorite. Vanilla is simple, yet so delicious. Or maybe it's a snowy, frosty scoop. White can be anything you imagine, from snow to clouds. Okay, amazing ice cream makers. Are you ready to have some fun with our Play-Doh today? Now that we have our beautiful colors, what's next? We need to get our Play-Doh ready for some serious scooping action. We need to get our Play-Doh ready. Let's start by opening up those tubs and taking out some Play-Doh. Let's take some Play-Doh out of the tub. Feel how soft and squishy it is in your hands. Feel how soft and squishy it is in your hands. Isn't it just the best feeling ever? Squish it, squash it, roll it all about. This is so good for our hands and fingers. This is so good for our hands and fingers. It makes them strong and clever. It makes them strong and clever. Warming up the Play-Doh makes it easier to shape. Warming up the Play-Doh makes it easier to shape. Are you squishing your Play-Doh? Good job! Are you squishing your Play-Doh? Good job! First, let's choose one color to start with. Which color shall we pick for our first scoop? Which color shall we pick for our first scoop? I think I will choose blue. I think I will choose blue. Blue is such a cool and calm color. Blue is such a cool and calm color. Take a nice piece of blue Play-Doh. Take a nice piece of blue Play-Doh. Not too big, not too small. Just right. Not too big, not too small, just right. Now, let's roll it between our hands. Roll it, make it nice and round. Roll it, make it nice and round. Like a little blue ball of fun. Like a little blue ball of fun. This is the beginning of our first ice cream scoop. Rolling the Play-Doh is super important. It helps to make our scoops look like real ice cream. You can roll it on the table too. Gently push and roll back and forth. Keep going until it's perfectly round and ready for our ice cream creation. Our blue Play-Doh ball is ready. It's so round and so perfectly blue. Now, let's pretend this is our first flavor. Maybe it's blueberry ice cream. Yummy. Or perhaps it's blue raspberry flavor. What do you think your blue scoop is? Use your amazing imagination. This blue scoop is number 1. Can you say 1? 1 blue scoop. We are starting our counting journey too. Let's make sure our scoop looks just right. We can gently press one side to make it a bit flat. This flat side will help it sit nicely on our cone, or in our pretend ice cream cup. Look at that! It looks just like a real scoop of ice cream. A beautiful bright blue scoop. This is so exciting, making our own treats. Play-Doh is magical, isn't it? It can become anything we want it to be. Our first scoop is a masterpiece. Now where will we put our lovely blue scoop? Section 5. Stacking high. 1, 2, 3 scoops. Our first blue scoop looks amazing. But 1 scoop of ice cream is never enough, is it? Let's add another scoop. What color shall we choose next? How about yellow? Yes, bright sunny yellow. Take some yellow Play-Doh. Roll it into a ball just like we did with the blue. Squish roll and make it perfectly round. This yellow scoop can be pretend lemon flavor, or maybe delicious banana ice cream. Now we have our yellow Play-Doh ball. Let's shape it into another perfect scoop. Gently pat it. Make it look just right. This is our second scoop. So now we have 1 blue scoop and 1 yellow scoop. How many scoops is that altogether? Let's count them. 1, 2 colorful scoops of pretend ice cream. Wow, our ice cream is getting taller. This is so much fun, stacking them up. Let's carefully place our yellow scoop on top of the blue one. Be gentle so they don't fall over. Wow, look at our Play-Doh ice cream. It's getting so tall and colorful. We have a blue scoop at the bottom, then a sunny yellow scoop in the middle, and a bright red scoop on the very top. 1, 2, 3 scoops high. That's a super duper ice cream tower. It looks good enough to pretend to eat. What a fantastic job, little ice cream artists. You are all doing so wonderfully. Let's admire all the beautiful colors together. The blue is like the deep ocean. The yellow is like a happy sunflower. The red is like a juicy apple. Seeing all these colors stacked up is amazing. It's like a rainbow on a cone. Can you point to the blue scoop? Good job. Can you point to the yellow scoop? Excellent. And where is the red scoop? Fantastic. You are learning your colors so well. We can even add more scoops if we want. Maybe a green scoop for mint, or an orange scoop for orange flavor, or a purple scoop for grape. How many scoops can we stack before it tumbles? That's a fun challenge, isn't it? All this squishing and rolling is super important. It's not just for making pretty ice cream, it's also helping our hands and fingers. When we play with Play-Doh, we use our small muscles. These are the muscles in our fingers and hands. Making these muscles strong is very helpful. It helps us to do all sorts of cool things, like holding a crayon to draw a picture, or using scissors to cut paper. Wow, Play-Doh is like a workout for our fingers. This is called developing our fine motor skills. That's a big phrase, isn't it? It just means getting better at using our hands. Every time you pinch the Play-Doh, or roll it into a ball. Look at all the amazing things we've learned today. We've had such a colorful and exciting adventure. We've been exploring so many bright colors. From the vibrant reds to the calming blues, every color has its own magic. We saw red, blue, and yellow Play-Doh. Each color was so much fun to play with and mold into different shapes. And we talked about green, orange, and purple too. These colors made our creations even more vibrant and exciting, naming the colors as we choose them for our scoops. This helps us remember them much better and makes learning interactive. Helps us remember them much better. It's like a colorful game for our brains. It's like a colorful game for our brains. Can you remember the colors of your ice cream scoops? Can you remember the colors of your ice cream scoops? Maybe you can point to something else in the room that is blue. Maybe you can point to something else in the room that is blue. Or something that is red. What fun! Or something that is red. What fun! And what about our numbers? And what about our numbers? We've been counting our ice cream scoops. We've been counting our ice cream scoops. First, we made 1 scoop. First, we made 1 scoop. Then we added another. And that made 2 scoops. Then we added another. And that made 2 scoops. Then another, making 3 scoops. Then another, making 3 scoops. Counting is so important, and it can be so much fun. We can count anything. Counting is so important, and it can be so much fun. We can count anything. Our fingers, our toys, our snacks, our fingers, our toys, our snacks. And today we counted our colorful Play-Doh scoops. And today we counted our colorful Play-Doh scoops. How high can you count? How high can you count? Every time we add a scoop, we practice counting higher. Every time we add a scoop, we practice counting higher. Playing with Play-Doh helps us learn in so many ways. We learn about colors. Playing with Play-Doh helps us learn in so many ways. We learn about colors. We learn about numbers and counting. We learn about numbers and counting. We learn how to make shapes. We learn how to make shapes. And we make our fingers strong with fine motor skills. Learning colors and numbers is super duper fun. Hooray! Wow, what an amazing Play-Doh adventure we had! We made the most colorful pretend ice cream. We chose bright Play-Doh colors. We rolled and shaped so many yummy-looking scoops. And we stacked them up high, counting them one by one. I had so much fun with you today. Did you have fun too? I hope so. You were all fantastic ice cream makers. Your creations looked absolutely delicious. And you learned so much along the way. Now it's your turn to keep the fun going. You can make your own Play-Doh ice cream shop. What colors will you choose for your scoops? How many scoops will you stack on your cone? Will you make a giant ice cream or a little one? The possibilities are endless with Play-Doh. Remember all the things we talked about, naming your colors, counting your scoops, and all that squishing and rolling to make your fingers strong. It's all part of the Play-Doh magic. Ask your grown-ups if you can play with Play-Doh. Show them all the cool things you can make.